This is by far the most ambitious project we've done because we're in public space.
This project originated a lot out of everybody's own frustration with just walking around the city and just seeing these mountains of trash everywhere.
What this project represents is the past and the future. I'm really drawn to this idea of reimagining urban spaces, benefit both humanity and wildlife.
For us, rewilding is kind of the process of bringing nature back to where it was stripped away before.
We're giving out native species, so people will be able to take home their own seedlings to grow a native species and promote pollinators because they're so important to the carbon cycle, the water cycle, they're essential.
We wanted to create something that was really visually stunning and stops you in your tracks and just reminds you to look around and see sort of what the problems are in your urban environment.
To me, the great pleasure and pride, really, that I feel in my students, that they brought this to such a high level of completion. I mean, it's beautiful.